Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tina. Thanks for coming back here. If you're not already, then please subscribe. If you are, then thanks for coming back. So today I thought I would take you along with a spend the day with me video, because last night I got a few orders for some of my wood laser products that I've been making, so I'll show you that shortly. But before I get on and do that, I do have a quick beauty appointment to do. So I've got some brows to do this morning, so she's going to be turning up any minute now. So I'll go and do that in my salon. That will take me like 10-15 minutes. Once I've done the brows, I'll come back in the house and we'll set up the laser and we'll get making the products. I'll show you me making them. We'll package the orders up. One of the orders is going all the way across the States to Alabama, and I love that, you know, sending products all the way across to United States. So yeah, we're going to make that. I'll also have to wait for some of the blanks to come from Amazon. I don't normally order from Amazon, but I had to get emergency stock because the orders were coming in last night. So yeah, we're going to do that today. Might have some other couple of bits I have to show you. We'll see what the day brings. So yep, spend the day with me, grab a cuppa and enjoy. So these are some bits I've made from wood. I've made some football key rings, I've made some plant signs, I've made little junk mail signs. I need to put a screw in the string. These are takeaway dice that I've made. More football key rings. And then this is what I need to recreate today. So as I do nails, I came up with this idea that when a client can't decide what colour to choose, they roll the dice. So the design will be blue or green, and it'll be a glitter or fade design. So these are what I've got to recreate today. I've got a few of these to make, so then I can post them out. These are the only blanks I've got left, so I can only make, I've got one single that I need to make, and I've got 3 double pairs to make, so I'm too short. That's why I'm waiting for some more to come. But I'm going to get started and at least make these ones. There's my laser machine. So I'm going to plug this in and get ready to start engraving. So I've made these ones so far. I've done, what's that, So 5, God, I can't count. 5, I've got another 4 to do. So as soon as my Amazon order comes, I can make more, but I'm going to start sanding these now. And what I use is this outdoor varnish, although they're not outdoor wood pieces, just protects them, and I'll just literally do 1 coat. So I'm literally going to varnish all the sides apart from the bottom. After about an hour or so, I'll turn it around and do the other side. Just as I started sanding, I've got my Amazon rung the doorbell, so my Amazon has arrived. So I'm not going to do these quite yet, because I've just literally started cooking lunch. So I'm going to have a lunch break and then we'll get started. But I just want to see the quality of these. So they're in here. So let's open this up. The only thing with these ones, they've got little holes through the middle. So hopefully once I've engraved, that won't be as noticeable. And yeah, two of the sides have got holes in the middle, yet the other ones I've got, they don't have that. So not the best. The ones I normally get are better. But there's my bag of them there. And we'll get making those after lunch. Right, so I've done these 4, the ones with a hole. And what I've done, I can't even find it, is I use the text where the hole would go through the letter. So hopefully, show you there. It's not as noticeable. So I'm just gonna seal up these ones and then wait for these to dry. All packaged in little organza bags. There's a single one. Got our business cards. Now literally So I've just been upstairs printing my postage labels and the customs form, and I nearly threw my phone out the window. My God, Royal Mail make it so hard and confusing to print off these blooming forms. But I've finally done it. I'm just going to check the address labels compared to what was actually on my Shopify account. So I'm going to do that. There's all my envelopes, doing that. I've just started cooking dinner. I'm cooking potatoes and peppers. My kitchen looks like there's been an explosion. So for the rest of the night now, I'm going to be cooking dinner. I need to tidy up this kitchen. I've got some music playing just to keep me motivated. So I'm going to play the music, get the kitchen done, stick them labels on. That's my night done. Hope you've enjoyed this little video of spending the day with me. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.